Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can exchange currency in BMO. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have your BMO account or your debit card ready, and this will help you convert currency efficiently for travel or business needs. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign in with your BMO online banking, or you can also visit a branch. And next, you will go to the currency exchange or foreign exchange services. And after that, you will select the currency that you would want to buy or sell. And then you will enter the amount and confirm the exchange rate. And finally, you will just have to submit the transaction and save the receipt for reference. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.